Hey everybody, Serg here with White Light, and today I'm going to give you a little class on how to lock and load your Glock 19 pistol. Come on, let's get to work. So what we got here is just a standard Glock 19 at Gen 4 pistol, all right? And what we're going to do is we're going to get this pistol ready for use, okay? We're going to lock and load. All right, man. So first things first, you got to point the pistol in a safe direction, right? And we're going to assume it's loaded. And that's why we're doing that, right? Pointing the pistol in the safe direction, right? Because we assume it's loaded always. That's number one, man. That's second nature, okay? So we're going to grab it and we're going to go ahead and put it up into our workspace right here, okay? This is our workspace. Workspace is right here, right in front of me. All right, it's not down here, it's not up here, it's right here at more or less eye level, right? Okay, now I'm gonna point the pistol in a safe direction and I'm gonna grab with my support hand the slide. And with my thumb on my firing hand, I'm gonna push up on the slide lock tab. Now, at that time, when I know that I'm pushing up on my slide lock tab, I'm gonna go ahead and pull back my slide, okay, until I hear a little click, right? Once that click, and you'll know, like, once your slide lock tab is activated, you'll feel a little click and your slide, you won't have any play in your slide anymore. So it's locked, right? All right, so now at this time, real quick, I'm gonna conduct a 3-point safety check, right? And the 3-point safety check consists of inspecting the breech, the magazine well, and the slide face, okay? We're gonna look in those 3 areas, right? Breech, magazine well, slide face. All right, let's take a close-up on that. Breech, magazine well. You want to be able to see right through it, daylight. You want to see the other side, right? And then you want to inspect your slide face. There it is, right there. All right. Now that I've deemed that those 3 areas are clear, right? I'm just gonna leave the slide lock to the rear. Easy day, man, right? All right, move the gun back up to my in my workspace, right? Keep the gun up in front of me. Gun up, head up, right? Where the gun goes, the eyes go. Okay. I'm gonna grab my magazine like this. I'm gonna, with 3 fingers on my support hand, I'm gonna put them at the base of the magazine, and my index finger is gonna come up and touch the tip of the rounds loaded in the magazine. And without even looking at the magazine, my fingers can tell if they're loaded correctly, right? I'm using my senses, right? All right. Now, with my hand and index finger, I'm going to guide the magazine into the magazine well. Okay. Once it's in, I'm going to push up with my palm. Did you hear that? All right. What that sound indicated was that your magazine seated correctly in the magazine well. All right. Okay. So now that the magazine is seated correctly, pointing the pistol, like moving it down from your workspace, pointing the pistol in the safe direction, I'm going to release my slide by pushing down on the slide lock tab with my thumb. All right. For all intents and purposes, this pistol is ready to rock, man. It's hot, it's loaded. Whatever terminology you want to use to indicate to somebody that this thing is ready to rock and roll. Okay? All right. But you want to double check, man. You always want to double check, right? You always want to make sure. Now, some pistols now they have like a little hole in up in your slide, right? That'll give you an indicate. It's like a brass indicator. It'll let you know that you are chambered, right? That you have ammunition inside inside the pistol, ready to fire, right? Without using any special terminology or anything like that. Okay. Um, but we're going to conduct a press check, right? So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and grab the pistol just like this, and we're going to push back on the slide just a little bit, just to see. Oh, yeah, I see brass, right? Brass is in the breech. Okay, there's ammo in the breech. Okay, like let it go. Now it needs to go forward firmly, or it needs to lock in. All right. So what I like to do is I like to push forward a little bit, just to give a little, make sure that it does slide into place. Okay. And then once that's done, your pistol's ready, right? Your pistol is good to go, man. Okay. So now from here, you either set it on the table and get ready to start training. Okay. Or, put it in your waistband for concealed carry, or put it in your holster for outside the waistband. Hey, if you like that class and want to learn more, follow the link below or send me an email. I would love to help. Serg out.